Bailing the cat. Once upon a time, the mice had a meeting to figure out how to deal with their common enemy, the cat. Some said this and some said that. Many ideas were discussed, but the mice could not find a solution. At last, a young mouse spoke. I have a plan. All we need to do is put a bell around the cat's neck. The bell will ring whenever the cat moves and we will be able to run away before she comes. All the mice were surprised upon hearing the plan of the young mouse and started celebrating. Then an old mouse rose and said, The plan sounds very good, but tell me one thing, who will bail the cat? The mice looked at one another in fear. Nobody had an answer. Moral of the story: it is easy to propose impossible remedies.